door panel's next. Let's take it off. Out of Outlander Sport. 2 screws. Thinner one, longer one is up top. Top meaning this one. This little door is hidden. Use this little screwdriver to go right between the crack and pull this guy out. Pull the handle out of your way. And the back in. There you go. See how the handle comes back out of your way? Now this one I have to find, because this one, no joke, popped out and I swear it flew over my head and I have no where it is. I have to go find it somewhere in this wet area filled with, I have no idea. I'll find it. That's where the other screw is. Put this all down. This has to pop out. This you can use your hand. It's only one right here. No, would I pop this guy out? I guess you could. I left him hang. But to pull the door panel actually off, there's a lip under here. You always got to grab from the bottom. You can feel it. And that's where you grab from. And just keep pulling. Pull all the way around. And then you're going to come upward. Up towards you. And you see? It falls off. Now these puppies pull out. And it would have been nice if they actually had this whole thing pop out. But since it's so cold out today, let me use both hands so I don't break it. So you see how these pop out of the hinge? And this little socket thing? I guess you could pull the screw out. Let's see if that works. So yes, you can pull this one screw out and the whole handle will come out. This goes into here. And then these guys unplug. And my hands are really cold because it's really cold out in middle of April. This is a squeeze, that's a squeeze because my hands are frozen. And there's your door panel. And that's just squeeze I'm talking about. And if your fingers are really cold, it's a tough time. And my fingers are really cold. Now the speaker. This is hilarious. I'm looking at it, I'm like, there's no screws. Does it twist? It twists out. Are you kidding me, dude? This is hilarious. This is a perfect candidate for my video, this right there. Of using the brackets, which you're probably going to have a tough time getting, which I don't know how this works, but it doesn't want to come out either. Here we go. Probably be easier if I just unplugged it. So it twists. And again, another perfect candidate for my wonderful video of using this bracket and using the same bracket to make your own speaker brackets to put new speakers in. So that's what we're going to do. And it actually is easier just to unplug it. So we're going to pull the slack out. But you get the idea. So like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Just line them up and lock it back into place. That's what I'm having a tough time with one hand. There you go. Thanks for watching.